Hey guys, welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today I will be introducing you guys to an awesome new product. This product is highly requested and this product is going to achieve the ultimate cleanliness to your vehicle. Today I will be introducing you guys to the all-new Chemical Guys HyperBan Complete Vehicle Antibacterial Disinfectant Cleaner. And if you watch to the end, we will also be introducing you guys to a second new product that can also be used to disinfect your home. Washing your hands and disinfecting surfaces are very important, but one area you might overlook is your vehicle. Disinfecting your ride goes far beyond just the steering wheel. What are you using to disinfect these surfaces that you touch on a daily basis? Imagine how many surfaces on your ride are being touched by you or by anyone else that is in your car. Imagine if you hop into a rideshare or you operate a rideshare, how many surfaces are being touched. Each day your ride is being touched, but now using Chemical Guys HyperBan, you can effectively disinfect and kill germs. HyperBan is a one-step disinfectant cleaner that kills viruses that may cause the common cold, kills flu viruses, kills more than 99.9% of all common germs, and kills odor-causing bacteria. Use HyperBan on hard, non-porous surfaces in your car, RV, trucks, and boats. With the advanced, easy-to-use, effective antibacterial cleaning action of HyperBan, you can have confidence in your cleaning. Use HyperBan to clean and disinfect surfaces such as chrome, glass, metal, mirrors, plastic, hard surfaces, and vinyl. Use HyperBan to disinfect your car inside and out. To clean, spray on the surface until thoroughly wet, then wipe clean. No rinsing required. It's as simple as spray and wipe clean. To disinfect, spray until thoroughly wet, let stand for 10 minutes, then wipe clean. Not recommended for use on porous surfaces. Use it on the inside of your car, on the areas you touch most, interior door handles, control knobs and buttons, including your turn signals, wiper control stalks, door armrests, hard plastic or vinyl dashboards, vinyl headrest, vinyl steering wheels, vinyl seats, car shift knobs, any grab handles, and seat adjusters and mirrors. And don't forget about the exterior high touch areas like glass, windows, outside door handles. As always, we recommend for all surfaces to test a small inconspicuous area first. The list of things getting touched by dirty hands is endless, but now you disinfected your car, now it is time to disinfect your home. Jason, take it away.
Henry, everyone is gonna love this new product. You've trusted us in your car, now you can trust us in your home to provide you with the ultimate cleanliness and protection. I'm excited to introduce HyperShield Total Home Antibacterial Disinfectant Cleaner, a powerful multi-surface disinfecting spray that cleans, deodorizes, and disinfects in one step for a cleaner, fresher household. Help protect your family from germs with HyperShield. HyperShield effectively kills 99.9% of common household germs. It kills cold and flu viruses and kills household bacteria. HyperShield Triple Action Multi-Surface Disinfectant is perfect for cleaning every room in your home. It's an effective disinfectant on hard, non-porous, non-food contact surfaces. So as long as the surface is hard and solid and you don't eat directly off of it, you can use this product to disinfect. The advanced cleaning power of HyperShield is perfect for everyday use, especially in high-touch areas of your home. This includes places like your kitchen, your bathroom, the living room, playroom, garage, even your office. HyperShield is a simple and easy way to clean. HyperShield cleans, deodorizes, and disinfects all in just one easy step, protecting against bacteria, mold, and mildew. You can also use HyperShield to clean hard water stains, soap scum, and mold and mildew stains. HyperShield is designed for daily use to eliminate odors that might be left behind after cooking. We're not saying Aunt Karen's a bad cook, we're just saying you might not want to smell her famous crispy salmon dish first thing when you walk in the door, right? The best part of HyperShield, it's free of harsh chemicals, chlorine bleach, phosphates, and SLS. HyperShield helps reduce the risk of cross-contamination of common household germs and reduces the spread of household bacteria. HyperShield disinfects against Salmonella, Influenza A flu virus, the virus that causes the common cold, H1N1 virus, and it kills household bacteria without the use of bleach. Use it on most hard, non-porous surfaces. For a beautiful streak-free shine, just spray and wipe clean with a paper towel or microfiber cloth. It's that easy. To clean or deodorize, spray on your surface until it's thoroughly wet, then wipe clean. No rinsing required. To clean grease, allow the product to sit 15 to 20 seconds to penetrate the grease before wiping it clean. To disinfect, spray until thoroughly wet, let the product stand for 10 minutes, and then wipe clean. HyperShield is not recommended for use on porous surfaces. Do not use it on eating utensils, plates, bowls, or cookware. As always, for all surfaces, test a small inconspicuous area first. Use HyperShield to disinfect high contact areas such as chairs, countertops, doorknobs, fitness equipment, chrome, brass, or stainless steel fixtures, garbage can pails, glass-topped furniture, handrails, oven doors, refrigerator doors and handles, sink basins, tabletops, toilet bowl exteriors, vanity tops, and more. So if you want to clean without compromise, leave your home fresh and clean with HyperShield Total Home Antibacterial Disinfectant Cleaner. Pick up HyperBan and HyperShield today by visiting our website at chemicalguys.com or grab your bottles in person by visiting your local detail garage. As always, thank you for being a part of the Chemical Guys family, and we'll see you next time. Henry, what else should they do?
And guys, if you guys liked this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below on future videos you want to see, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.
Awesome. Well, looks like I got a lot of cleaning to do, so I'll catch you guys later.